Why, hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name, of course, is Eric. Being a videographer, we all have our shotgun microphones, lavalier microphones, external recorders, but do you have a wireless lavalier microphone that plugs right into your computer? Why would you even want something like that? Well, let's take a look at a product that I just mentioned like that after the intro. So the product I'm going to be talking about today is by FiFine Technologies. I actually haven't even really looked at it yet, so I opened up the box making sure it is what it is, but anyway, let's dive right into it. So relatively simple box. We're greeted with some paperwork, a user guide that I will dismiss at the moment. So after the paperwork, we were actually greeted with the unit itself. So this is going to be the wireless transmitter. And honestly, picking it up so far, it's all made out of a relatively light and cheap plastic. There's not much weight to it at all, which is both good and bad. Continuing on though, we have, this looks like the lavalier microphone itself, relatively decent sized capsule. So it's gonna be a little hard if you wanna try to hide this on a subject. Moving right along, we have an aux cord. I'm not sure what we need that for. We have AA batteries, pretty standard, I guess that goes into the transmitter. And then we have our USB, and this is gonna plug right into the computer. And again, I have not tried this before, so let's power this up. We're gonna put in our AA batteries. Batteries go in like so. Plate gets closed. All right, so I got the batteries in the unit. It's all powered on. The on and off switch is on the top, and that's also where you're gonna be able to plug in your lavalier microphone. Obviously there's a screen. I think that gives you like your frequency or something. It gives you a little information about how charged the battery is. But overall, this unit is relatively simple. So we're gonna plug in the lavalier microphone. That's just gonna go right to the top. It just snaps in like so, and it locks in, so it's not gonna be pulled out or anything, which is good. And now I think we need to plug in the USB into the actual computer. So I've never done this before. We'll see how this goes. How does it? All right. All right, so there's a blue light now that's blinking on the USB stick. All right, so now that the USB stick is plugged into the computer, I opened up the sound preferences on my Mac, and in the input, you can see USB PNP audio device. I'm gonna click that, and yeah, it automatically has connected. So I think we're going to jump into Final Cut Pro, and we're going to do a very quick audio sample. All right, so I'm recording the audio with Final Cut Pro right now using this lavalier microphone set. I don't know how it exactly is sounding. I'm just holding the lavalier microphone, and obviously placement is important, so this isn't completely ideal. Anyway, we're gonna stop the recording. So I'll be honest, I have no idea what that sounded like, and there could potentially be a lot more things I have to tweak, fine tune with this. I don't really know. This has just been a very quick first look at the unit, and overall what I have to say is it seems to be pretty flawless in the terms of setup. I plugged it in, I had no problems. This is honestly stupid simple in terms of you power it on. It seems like the frequency already is connected and whatnot. It looks like the aux cord plugs into the USB stick on my computer, and I don't know if that can monitor the audio. I guess I should try that actually. So obviously I put on headphones, and yes, I can monitor my audio from the transmitter that's going into the USB. I don't seem to be able to have control over how loud the headphones are though. So guys, let me know in the comments what you want to see out of this unit. If you have any questions about it, stay tuned for the in-depth review. I'm pretty excited to be using this. One huge reason why I'm interested in something like this is for podcasting. If we're trying to be a little more mobile instead of stuck at a desk, this could potentially be a really awesome unit. And if I can get a couple of these all plugged in, the sky is the limit, hypothetically. Of course, we'll see. We'll be testing out the quality of this, the range, everything. So look forward to that, and I'll catch you in the next video.